Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Cryptoprince, aka Cprince. So today we're just going to continue our daily analysis on the BTC USD and ETH USD. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And after the video, leave a comment to say if you disagree or if you agree with the analysis. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the chart for the BTC USD, and what I'm seeing right now is that Bitcoin is going strong. It's got a very big momentum right now, and if we remember, this is where we left off yesterday. If we remember, this is where we left off yesterday. We left off in this area right there, and we were saying if it broke this level, then we can possibly see coming to this level and then doing a retracement. However, it broke this level of resistance. It broke this level. It broke this level and then went up. And then also we can also see it's coming. It came back down here to this supply line, this support line that I drew yesterday, resistant line that's going to be turned into support based off this. If you remember this drawing 2 days ago, I done it as a resistant line, then it's going to be a support line, and then it's going to come into this box. We see this done in 1 day. This is a 1 day movement. All this right here is a 1 day movement. So over 7%, almost 8% we see move in 1 day. So what we were saying in the previous videos is that this was following outcome 2, because outcome 1, if you remember, this was outcome 1. Outcome 1 was it's going to continue to range in this area and then break. It's going to continue to range in this area and then it's going to break in about this December. It's going to break. However, we see it's not following outcome 1. It started to follow outcome 2, which is going to continue. Then it's going to, and then also stop following outcome 2, because outcome 2 was predicting that it's going to be a big retracement coming back down to the 15k mark. However, it didn't make that retracement. It went up and break the resistance of outcome 2. So what we're looking to see now is a retest, and a lot of people are saying that it's going to make a 30% retracement from levels where it is right now. But if you make a 30% retracement, it's going to come back all the way to 11k, which I cannot see. I would say it's more likely to go up to the all-time high, which is here, and then make a 30% retracement. That will bring it down to about 14k. That's more realistic. I will give that a 40% chance of happening, but it's still very low. What I can see potentially is that it's going to go to all-time highs, and then it's going to retrace back to these levels, to this area, to this supply area. Worst case scenario, it's going to come back to this blue line, because this is a major support and major resistance line. It's going to come back to this blue line, which is 17k. That's worst case scenario I can see. So most people are waiting for a big retracement right now because they're saying it's going up too fast. But however, if we see right here, this is a good retracement. I don't think a lot of people are realizing that it went all the way up to 18k 400, and then it made a big retracement back down to 17k 169, even lower, 17k, big retracement down to 17k, and then they find a level of support. So what I'm seeing is that this is where we were talking about yesterday. If you had watched my videos yesterday, you could have been up nice. If you watched my video yesterday, you would have been up 18% with leverage. That's a good day. With good leverage, that's a good day. That's a good day for trading. If you follow my signals yesterday and the day before, you've been up big time yesterday. And so what we're looking for today, so this was the retracement that it done, came back down to these levels, big area of support. However, I can possibly see it's going to come back down to these levels. This is one scenario. It's going to come back down to these levels and fill this area. It's going to come back to these levels possibly and fill this area, because this is the long wick represents sell exhaustion. So the sellers got exhausted. They got weak. The selling got weak in the BTC. So this is why we see this long wick. So possibly we could come down to fill this area. That's a possibility, and then shoot all the way up back up again to higher levels. That's just one outcome. And then in order to see that, we have to see break this box, break the supply box. So we have to be watching it constantly if we're trading anyways. We have to see it break this supply box, we have to see it break the supply line, we have to see it break this supply line and close under, and that's why I'm saying, okay, it's gonna fill this area and continue to consolidate and then go back up. But if we don't see any breaking of these three levels, if we don't see any breaking, then possibly it's going to use this level of as a support, and it's going to use this level of support. Worst case scenario is going to use this support area as a good support, because as we can see, it went up, came back down, touch one time. Let's just do a little. It went up, came back down, touch one time. Touch two time, touch three time, four time, and then five times, six times. So I touched six times. It came down and touched this level six times. So this basically is representing a strong level of support. So we could possibly see it come down here. Worst case scenario, I'm seeing worst case scenario come down to 17.5k. However, if it continue to go up and it breaks this level of resistance, and it breaks this supply box, then I'm seeing it going to straight. I'm seeing it going to 17k. It might not go straight to 17k. This is what we might see happening. So we might see something like this happening, going up to 17k. It might go up here, and then come back to retest this box, and then go up, and then come back to retest this line, this neckline, then go back up, and then possibly come out there and then break it. That's what we could see. Or another outcome is we could see it going up, find a little small level of retracement, then go sky. That's another outcome that we could see. So these are the two possible outcomes I'm looking at right now. Let me label this outcome A and B, not to get confused with outcome 1 and 2. So these are the two. If it breaks this level of support and break this box, this area, this is the levels that we can see coming at possibly within the end of this week to even the beginning of next week. We can see it breaking 20k if it continues this bullish trend that it's in right now with this momentum. So this is my analysis on the BTC USD chart. Make sure that we remember these flows, because we're gonna revisit them every day. We're gonna revisit them, and if you had take these signals, you could have been profitable in the last 3 videos that I've made. So let's just see the one for tomorrow. And next chart is the ETH. Yeah, guys, I just made a video and I just realized that it wasn't recording my voice, so I had to remake the video again. So I just track back to what I was saying. Basically what I was saying is that on yesterday's video, this is where we were at. I made a prediction yesterday that if we broke this level of resistance, then we're gonna go all the way to this line, and possibly all the way to this line, the 489 mark, and then there's gonna be a retracement back to this level. However, the retracement came back all the way down, almost touched this big level of support. So possibly what I'm seeing that this might come back down to fill this area, because once again, this is the exhaustion area, just like what we saw on BTC. This is the exhaustion area, selling exhaustion. So the sellers got exhausted here, so we could see a filling of this exhaustion area and then it go back up and break this level again, or it could continue to consolidate on this and find a good level of support, because once again it found this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times before in the past. It found a good level of support and then went up. So we could make this, it possibly could be, this could be the new level of support, and then we break this, and then once we break this again, once we break this black resistant line, now this is when we're looking at a higher level. The level I'm looking at, if it breaks, is this level, $600, sorry. So if it breaks this black resistant line and close above it, and then possibly this is the way I could see it possibly. So I'll label this outcome A, and then another possible way it could move after this level is it could go, it could literally break here and then go up here and then come back down and then go up and then come back down and then sky. So these are the levels that I'm watching. So if I was in the market right now to trade, what trade I would take right now is I was just being waiting mode to see what happens here. If it breaks this level and close above us from a new candle, then it's buy all the way to 561. I will buy Ethereum all the way to $561, right? let me put this right here just for us to remember where we are. So we're gonna have this for remembrance tomorrow. If it breaks this level, then we'll buy it to $561. But however, if it broke this level and formed underneath this level, I would sell. So if it broke this level, so this is how I'll be trading this level right here. If it breaks here and form a new candle above here, close and form a new candle above here, sell to 561. If it broke this level here and close underneath, form a new candle, sell to here, and then wait to see what's happening. If it broke this level again, sell to here. I can't see it coming lower than 440, to be honest. Yeah, I can't see it coming lower than 440. So these are the two sell levels, one sell level and two sell level, and this is the this is the two buy levels, buy level 1, buy level 2. So this is my analysis on the chart today. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. If you agree with my analysis or disagree, just leave it in the comment box below. So catch you in the next video, guys. Make sure you follow these videos and take notes, because this is how we can predict what's going to happen in our altcoins as well, because we know that BTC and Ethereum move, and then the altcoins move after. So if you want to see what our altcoins are moving, just watch the BTC and ETH chart. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. Catch you in the next video.